Is this the first phase of Skynet's world domination? Today, we're diving into a jaw-dropping incident from China, where a cutting-edge robot seemingly attacked its own handlers. But what really happened behind the scenes might surprise you. Welcome back to Skynet Cybernetics, where we explore the fascinating world of AI humanoid robotics. My name is James, and let's get started. Recently, a video went viral showing a Unitree H1 humanoid robot in a Chinese factory test spiraling out of control. Suspended from a crane for safety, the robot suddenly started flailing its arms and legs wildly, causing its handlers to scramble to avoid what looked like an attack. But before you imagine a robot uprising, here's what really happened. The robot's balance system misinterpreted the tether from the crane as a constant falling motion. In response, its control algorithms tried to correct this fall aggressively, creating a feedback loop of erratic movements. This malfunction made the robot appear hostile, but it was actually a software error, not a sign of sentient rebellion. Thankfully, no one was hurt, and the incident highlights just how complex and delicate humanoid robotics can be. What's more interesting is there was another video of a Unitree H1 robot attacking someone earlier this year. On February 9th, at a festival in China, a Unitree H1 humanoid robot suddenly started acting erratically. The robot was filmed aggressively lunging toward the crowd and even appeared to attack a spectator who reached out for a handshake. Security quickly intervened, pulling the robot back before anyone was hurt. Unitree Robotics, the manufacturer, later explained this was likely caused by a software setting or a malfunctioning sensor. They assured the public that safety measures were being improved to prevent such incidents. These two incidents involving Unitree's H1 robots highlight a critical challenge in robotics, teaching machines to safely navigate and interact in unpredictable human environments. Despite advances in AI and control systems, software glitches and sensor errors can lead to dangerous malfunctions. With robots like Unitree's H1 selling for around $90,000 and expected to become widespread, these safety concerns are really legit. Experts say this is a reminder of the importance of rigorous safety protocols and real-world testing as robots become more integrated into human environments. It's a fascinating glimpse into the challenges engineers face when teaching robots to move and react safely. What do you think? Is this a scary glimpse of the future or just a technical hiccup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want to stay updated on the latest in humanoid robotics, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, folks, and peace out.